Today I'm taking a look at this AirSense 11 Cpap holder that I bought off of Amazon. Let's get it out of the box, see what it comes with, get it installed, and see how well it works. So this is everything that was in the box. It's got an instructions manual there. It's got hardware so you can mount this to the wall. A little extra piece for this, and then this, it looks like 3D printed Cpap holder. It's supposed to fit specifically the AirSense 11. It's supposed to hold it really well, and we're going to be installing this in our RV, so I want this to take up the least amount of space, still hold the Cpap machine and give me, you know, everything that I need, but be as small as possible so it's out of the way. Let's try it. So it does fit in it pretty good. I mean, you can definitely tell it's meant specifically for this. I was able to just slide it in. You slide this in from one side, and then as you can see here in the back, you can still get your plug, you can still change your filter, you can still do your hose, and that's with it in here, but it easily just slides in. I slid it in from this side in this way, and if you need to get it out, you just slide it out. But you can also still get your water container out this side without it coming out. Another cool thing about this is if you have the heated hose like I do here, it still gives you enough space behind it to where when it's mounted, your hose can still do like a 90-degree turn without damaging your hose. So I really like that about it too. And then it gives it room over here too where your hose can, you know, go up or hang down. It doesn't get in the way of pulling out your water canister. All right, so I've got it mounted, I got it leveled. I put my hoses through the back because I'm gonna have to push the Cpap through it from the left to the right. So I'm gonna have to hook up the hose and the cable to the back of the Cpap and then slide it through. But yeah, I think it's gonna fit perfect here. Wow, check that out. I love it. I used to have a little table down to the right. There's a little section down there by the slide where I had a little table to set this on. And then I used to set it even next to the bed, but I'd roll over onto it. It was a pain. Now this is up high enough, it's out of my way. I can easily walk on the side of the bed, pull out the water canister, fill that up. I've got my power just hanging down to a plug, and then it even comes with a little device that I can mount up there. I'm not sure if I want to mount it yet, but it will hold the hose and it will hold the mask. If I do mount it, I'll mount it up higher, and that way I can just grab it before I get into bed. But no, this is awesome. This is a game changer just right there. If you have an RV and you need to get your Cpap out of the way, man, this is the way to do it. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.